Good morning, my dear students. I am and welcome to ES of St. Michael's Academy, Vidya. I am present here with your GK book, Class 8 GK book, that is New Search and Find, General Knowledge book. In previous class, I have done the till exercise 20. Today I am going to start exercise 21, Historical Capitals. The well-known city was capital of Magad Empire. In your tool, there are given some places. You have to fill in the answers. The well-known city was capital of Magad Empire is that Patliputra. Just write the number. Second, Siri Fort, Delhi. Name the city which was built by Alauddin Khilji as its capital, that is Siri Fort, Delhi. Third, the city was capital of Nawabs of Awadh, that is Faizabad. Fourth, the city was built by Rajendra Chol I, that is Gangaikonda. Fifth, Peshawar. Ancient city was capital of Kanishk, Peshawar. Capital of Parmara dynasty, that is 6 number. 6 number is Dhar, which is in MP. 7. The city was capital of Bahmani kingdom, that is Gulbarga. The city was destroyed after the battle of Talikota. Number 8, Vijayanagar. Number 8 is Vijayanagar. Number 9 is Rangpur, name of capital of Ahom kingdom, that is Rangpur. Number 10, the city was built by Rana Uday Singh as his new capital, that is Udaipur. In your next chapter, that is 22, Indian heritage sites. In India, so many sites are which we visit every year. Delhi, Agra, Varanasi, Allahabad, Nalanda, Konark, मदुरई, ये सब घूमने के बहुत इसमें रिच हेरिटेज होते हैं. यहाँ पे कुछ ऐसे फेमस सिटीज़ हैं जिनको कि आप विज़िट करते हो हर साल. कुछ फेमस चीज़ होती हैं, जैसे आगरा, वन ऑफ द कैपिटल ऑफ मुगल्स, फेमस फॉर ताजमहल. वाराणसी, ओल्डेस्ट एग्जिस्टिंग सिटी इन द वर्ल्ड. इलाहाबाद is also known as Prayag, the city of meeting point of 3 rivers, Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati. Nowadays Saraswati is not visible. Nalanda was one of the leading center of learning ancient world, and Konark Sun Temple in Odisha. Madurai, Athens of East. Madurai is also called Madurai is also called Athens of East. The city famous for Meenakshi temple. City famous for Meenakshi temples. Okay, read by yourself. Now next lesson, Mughal dynasty. In our country, Mughal has left impression on Indian culture in so many ways. Let us know some Mughals with their name and with their real name. Like number 1, Shahjahan. The real name of Shahjahan was Prince Khurram. The second one, Babur. The real name Zahiruddin Muhammad. Third one, Jalaluddin Muhammad. The name was Akbar. Akbar was famous name, but real name of Akbar was Jalaluddin Muhammad. Fourth one, Aurangzeb, and the real name of Aurangzeb was Muhyiddin Muhammad. Muinuddin Muhammad. Number 5, Jahangir, the real name was Nuruddin Muhammad Salim. And number 6, Humayun, the real name of Humayun was Nasiruddin Muhammad. They were some Mughals who ruled out our countries. Okay. Now lesson 24. The page is dedicated to solid Indian defense system. In our India, there are so many defense systems which play a very important role towards the country, as these defense personnel dedicate their lives for our country, for saving our lives. So some famous Indian defense system was the Army, the Navy, the Air Force, Coast Guard, National Cadet Corps. Now read by this yourself. This is your homework. Next है lesson 25, the Indian islands. How many islands make the group of Andaman and Nicobar Islands? More than 3,000. 3,000. More than 3,000. Which island has volcano on it? Barren Island. Which capital of Andaman and Nicobar? Which is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar? Port Blair. Number 4. Which notorious building was finished in 1908 to be used as a prison for Indian freedom fighters? Cellular Jail. Name the national park near Port Blair, that is Mount Harriet National Park. How many islands were there in Union Territory of Lakshadweep? That is 36. India's smallest union territory and only coral islands. What about special Lakshadweep? India's smallest territory and only coral island, and only coral islands. Kerala. Which Indian state is nearest to Lakshadweep? Kerala. What is main occupation of people in Lakshadweep after fishing? That is coir and copra production. Which uninhabited island has been declared as bird sanctuary? Piti. And 12. Name the 3 main communities of Lakshadweep. Koyas, Malmis and Metacharis. Is it clear? Now lesson 26. Some historical forts. The fort was built by Shuja Shah Durrani. It is situated on the banks of Dal Lake in Srinagar. The holy Makhdoom Sahib shrine was located here. Hari Parbat Fort. Hari Parbat Fort is located in Satpura range. It was considered as the key to the Deccan by invaders. Mughal Emperor Humayun visited this place during his Gujarat campaign, that is Asirgarh Fort. Asirgarh Fort. Third, the fort was ancient capital of Marwar. The fort contained royal cenotaphs of Rathore kings. It is well known for gardens and high rock terrace. Third is Mandore Fort. Mandore Fort. Mandore Fort. The fort was built by Kaktiyas of Warangal. It is well known for its excellent water system, acoustics and palaces. The tombs of Qutub Shahi kings were located in neighborhood, that is Golconda Fort. Golconda Fort. The fort was held by Rajputs, Mughals and Marathas. The Gujri Mahal and Man Mandir were two major palaces within the fort. It was the capital of Sindhya kings, that is Gwalior Fort. That is Gwalior Fort. Number 5 is Gwalior Fort. Now women in news. Women in news क्या मतलब क्या हुआ? कुछ women famous होती हैं. किस लिए famous हैं? जिन्होंने वर्ल्ड के लिए बहुत वैल्यूबल वर्क किया. लाइक फर्स्ट वन इज क्रिस्टीन लेगार्डे. सेकंड अनुक सैन सू की. थर्ड मैरी कॉम. फोर्थ वैलेरी एमॉस. 5 मिशेल बैचेलेट. 6 एलिस मुनरो. 7 Christine Amanpour. 8 Wangari Maathai. And 9 Mia Farrow. 9 Mia Farrow. In your help book I have given the number. First Christina Lagarde. Second Anouk San Suu Kyi. Third Mary Kom. Fourth Valerie Amos. 5 Michelle Bachelet. 6 Alice Munro. 7 Christine Amanpour. 8 Wangari Maathai. And 9 Mia Farrow. Now our next lesson we will discuss in next class only. Till then, complete your copies, and in next class we will be back with some new interesting general knowledge topics. Till then, take care.